Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Good to be here with you again.
Yep.
So we're doing a Christmas special for the Grumpy Plumber. This video is all about preparing your house for the holidays. So before you head out for vacation, do these plumbing tips. Hi, I'm Jordan. This is my dad, Jim, the Grumpy Plumber, and thanks for watching. So we know with the virus going on right now, a lot of people aren't traveling this year, but maybe for next year, maybe for the summer, these kind of tips apply to any vacation you're about to go on. So, Dad, someone's leaving for the holidays. What should they do to prepare the house in the sense of plumbing?
Well, it's cold, so first thing you should do is probably turn the water off. If it's easy to turn off, usually in the basement there's a shut off. You are outside, even if you live in a warm climate, I'd recommend you turn the water off. Okay. Another thing, you turn the temperature down in the house probably to 60, 65 degrees. You don't want to get it too cold. Okay. You could put the water heater, if it's a gas water heater, there is a vacation mode or low on the heater that you can turn that down. Electric heaters you can't change, but you could flip the switch off on the electric heater so it doesn't sit there and heat water the whole time you're gone. Another thing you want to also do is make sure that your hoses outdoors are all disconnected from your outside faucets. Okay, your hose bits, that's a term. Because it's cold weather, if they can't drain, they'll freeze up and break. You'll notice it in the spring. You won't notice now, but you'll notice it in the spring when the weather gets warmer. So and stop the paper. You don't want the paper building up on your front porch. So
Nice
that's
one.
my tips.
Nice, all right. So it sounds like just take about, what, 5-10 minutes, go around your house, prepare the water heater, disconnect hoses, turn your heater down. Okay, turn the water off of the house.
Turn the water off of the house because, it's better. Pipes only break when you're gone. So, it's something to think about. Okay?
All right, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe.
And I hope Santa Claus is good to you.